semiconductors. How is this industry growing in Indonesia, and what is its potential? Today, on June 13, 2024, ITS hosting an international conference on Sustainable Semiconductor Manufacturing, creating opportunities for network and collaboration within Indonesia high-tech ecosystem.
This prestigious conference convened leading academics, industry experts, and public sector representatives to build bridges and share valuable insight into the semiconductor industry. Held at ITS Research Center building, this marks the first time ITS hosted a conference focused on this crucial topic. In his opening speech, Bambang Pramujati highlighted Indonesia's vast natural resources, emphasizing the country's significant potential in semiconductor production. He noted that the sector could play a pivotal role in boosting Indonesia's economy. This conference is particularly notable for its diverse lineup of speakers, featuring 15 experts from around the world, including Indonesia, Taiwan, and the United States. One of the keynote speakers, Dr. Jianshu Liu from Taiwan Tech, discussed the potential of the semiconductor industry, describing semiconductors as the backbone of the high-tech industry, driving innovation in everything, from consumer electronics to advanced research. In addition, this conference presents ITS the opportunity to partner with various international institutions in the field of semiconductors.
In today's event, the participants and speakers come from the government, industry, academia as well. So in terms of collaboration, we would like to actually talk more with them, what can be collaborated. So this is one of the early stages of that.
Director of Research and Community Service of ITS, Fadlilatul Taufani, also mentioned numerous ongoing projects, such as READY and Prime Engineering, with opportunities for collaboration in areas like IC design, LED bulb manufacturing, tablets, solar PV, energy management system, healthcare, and many more. He recommended that this effort be strengthened with concrete policy programs, such as providing incentive for semiconductor investor entering Indonesia.
Hopefully, from this conference provide a foundation to move forward and achieve Indonesia ambition in semiconductor industry. From ITS Research Center, I'm Fergri and thanks for tuning in to ITS TV News. And until next time, bye-bye!